Good day. We are Group 12 and we present to you the UNCUFFED. My name is Curtis. Also presenting are my teammates Ronald, Sonia, Vivek, Ekanam, and Claire. More than 1 billion people have high blood pressure globally, which can lead to organ failure and death. Traditional blood pressure monitors are too large and too expensive. Our solution is an OSHA certified, free, open source hardware, cuffless, non-invasive blood pressure monitor. Utilizing free open source hardware cuts costs and makes our product more accessible.
How we are going to commercialize our product? There are 4 different steps in our commercialization path. The first 2 phases involve market research, finding an open source design, and then sourcing components. The third phase involves testing a multiple prototypes to ensure technical feasibility. The fourth phase involves labor procurement, sales, and distribution of our product. UNCUFFED's revenue streams include direct-to-consumer sales through our website and third-party platforms like Amazon and Walmart, retail sales to large pharmacists, subscription service, and B2B sales to clinics. Future opportunities include expanding into wearable technology with strong growth rate. We can also explore international expansion in regions with a high demand for blood pressure monitoring. Our potential competitors are high-end cuffless and non-invasive blood pressure monitor companies such as Akita, Fourth Frontier Technologies, and Huawei. However, because they target the high-end market and have higher R&D and branding costs than us, their pricing is much higher than ours. We recommend a retail price of $89.99 and a wholesale price of $79.99, ensuring a significant competitive advantage in pricing with a 10 to 20% profit margin.
Through our pestle analysis, we learned that UNCUFFED's success will be dependent on the retail price, general awareness of blood pressure issues, and rapid innovation. The demand for healthcare technology is increasing, and we want UNCUFFED to be a major player. In order to successfully enter the industry, we'll have to focus on not infringing upon any patents and adhering to regulations. The key insights from the SWOT analysis are that our product strengths are the rapid source innovation and cost effectiveness. For weaknesses, we'll have to focus on the usability of the product and customer support that we must provide. And for opportunities and threats, we'll want to keep an eye on increasing demand for personalized healthcare technology and partnerships with healthcare providers and technology companies.
We've identified 3 types of people who benefit greatly from our product. The hypertensives are those diagnosed with high blood pressure, but they lead incredibly busy lives. They may not have time to measure their blood pressure early in the morning or in the evening, and they certainly cannot take a bulky machine with them throughout their day. The cared for have also been diagnosed, but they represent older adults living in their own homes with lower dexterity to maneuver those traditional cuffs, and those in care facilities with pain upon movement, which creates difficulties in methods. The blood pressure unaware are those who have not been diagnosed but would benefit from regular monitoring. Technically speaking, this represents everyone, as there are no symptoms of high blood pressure until it's too late. For prevention and early detection purposes, we can think of those who are genetically predisposed or those who have white coat syndrome, who have inaccurate readings only in doctor's offices. The UNCUFFED is simple to use, portable for social use, and accurate, so customers can use it anywhere at any time.
We have a 9-year growth plan focusing on business diversification and geographic expansion. From the period 2024-2026, we intend to seek our initial funding and launch in the Canadian market and consolidate our operations therein. From 2027 to 2029, we want to raise our second round of funding and expand into the US market and also launch B2B partnerships. From 2030 to 2033, we want to launch our Series B round of funding and expand into the Asian market, including countries like India, Philippines, Indonesia, and Vietnam, as these are high growth markets.
So, turning to our financials, UNCUFFED is poised for exponential growth. Our growth plan and financial projections indicate that it would capture a sizable portion of the $6 billion global industry for blood pressure monitoring devices through both our geographic expansion and diversification efforts. We also anticipate scaling to nearly $200 million in revenue and selling nearly 2 million devices at the end of this 10-year period. To achieve these milestones, we are seeking $250,000 in seed funding in exchange for 10% of our company. This funding will be crucial in supporting our prototyping, product development, and market entry into our key target markets. In terms of further funding, we are also planning a potential Series A and Series B round, which would provide a significant exit opportunity for our investors, as well as support our entry into US and Indian markets, key markets for our growth plan. So if you'd like to learn more, feel free to email us or visit our website. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation, and I hope you have an amazing day.